let's say you're on the top of the roof and you want to finish the job. So you pull the duct through the base flange, you get your hose connector ready, and then you take your duct connector and you slide it right in. There you go. Then you just take your hose clamp and you tighten it. It's easy as that. No screwdriver, no zip ties. You're not trying to hold this in place while you're getting pieces of duct tape or HVAC tape. But you're gonna make sure that this is nice and tight. That's over the ridge. Nice. And just like that. You know, it's tight. It's ready to go. Like that ain't going anywhere. So you got your hose. You connected it with the hose clamp to the duct connector. And you're just gonna drop it right in, just like that. There you go. And then from there, you just take your roof cap and put it on, just like that.